Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to create and view a system restore point on a Windows 7, 8, and Windows 10. Type restore point in Windows search bar. Click create a restore point. Click create. Type description for your restore point. Click create. Store point was created successfully. Click System Restore. Click Choose a different restore point. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.